With any design, you want to make sure that you get the design that you want. And by that I mean, sometimes you want a symmetrical design, sometimes you want an asymmetrical design. So it's really important to constantly check back at your design as a whole. You can get very interested in one section of your ring, but if you want a symmetrical design, you need to move slowly, remove carefully, and make sure that you're looking at it straight every time, so that you know that you've taken enough off each side. For instance, if you wanted to make a signet rings are very symmetrical, and a way that you can do that successfully is to constantly check how symmetrical it is and adjust accordingly. You can use wax from your practice piece to melt onto your main piece, but that can be quite difficult, and the wax doesn't always stick because of the nature of it. So you want to try not to remove too much so that you have to add more on. So for instance, with this piece here, I've taken this entire section off this piece. I may wish to do the same so that it's almost the beginnings of a diamondy type shape. And so I just take off one piece. No, that's not the same. Take off another piece. Oh, it's almost the same, but it's a slightly wrong angle. So I take another piece. So that's roughly the same angle. I would need to bring this side down a little, but I can do that quite easily now because I've checked to see that both are the same.